All right, guys, we've got the FEROOD handheld vacuum. This could be used for your car. It could be used for pets. It sounds pretty good. I feel the suction vibes there. It easily charges right here. I'm just going to run you through it real quick to help you make a quick informed buying decision. This is the port. All you do is plug this end into the wall, and this got a nice little charging port in your laundry room or in the back of your car or something like that. You have a couple different pieces that you can actually put on it, and those can store on the piece as well. You also have a brush, and you have an extra filter, which I think is really handy. So what we want to do here is we just want to see, does this thing suck? So if I didn't think this thing sucked, why would I pour salt and pepper on my floor? We're going to find out. Look at that. Now, I will admit, I went a little aggressive with the pepper, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to need to hang out here a little bit just to get the crumbs. Unbelievable. There was a mound of salt and pepper on that floor, and this just totally sucked it up. If that doesn't show you why this is an amazing value, I mean, I don't know what else to do.